Imagine a world where the first Catholic United States president wasn't John F. Kennedy, but Alfred E. Smith, where Alfred Smith defeats Herbert C. Hoover in 1928. Like and subscribe for more. How did Smith win in 1928? Several things would need to change. 1. Hoover isn't popular, and 2. The Roaring Twenties wasn't a thing. Would the Great Depression still happen? Yes, the Great Depression still happens, but it is a smaller deal. But Smith and the Democrats still do get blamed. The election of 1932, an impossible, astonishing second term. Smith runs for re-election in 1932, and in 1932 faces Herbert Hoover again, hoping to win the election. Herbert Hoover wins in a landslide with 472 electoral votes to Smith's 58. Smith's legacy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe for more.